everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing a lot of stuff I got from Amazon. I'm actually in the middle of redecorating my office still, because as y'all know, I mean, if you do know, you don't know, I don't know, I just kind of recently just moved back into my place after 4 months, and I'm redoing my rooms. I have 3 rooms, and then my biggest room is obviously the master, and that's where I sleep. And then I have 2 other rooms. One was my office and one was my film room. I was using the bigger second room. I was using the bigger extra room as my film room, and I realized I don't need this big room for a film room because I literally film in the same spot all the time. So I was like, oh, I'll use my smaller room for my film room. I'll redecorate that there. And this back room, I'll make it into a super cute office. So that's what I'm in the middle of doing. I'm gonna do a little series on this office room. This one is just showing you all the little things that I bought because I bought so much for this back room. Yeah, and then I'm gonna show you guys me decorating it and putting it all together. So it should be quite cute or whatever. So yeah, it's probably gonna be 2 parts. Like part 1 is this, and then part 2 is me putting it all together and finishing it up, and it be boom, bang, done and all nice. So yeah, it's gonna be so cute. I can't wait. I've always really wanted like a cute space, like a cute place I can take pictures in, I can do hauls in. So like, I want this place to be really cute so that if I, like when I do my hauls, because I do a lot of hauls, I can just film right here, and then it's just so cute. It's like, ooh, that's a vibe. So I don't only film in my living room, because I usually do them in my living room. Yeah, I just want options, you know? So let me go ahead and be quiet, and then let me show you everything else. So let's get going. Whoa, we're way too bright. What you doing? Okay, so I bought a lot of stuff to decorate from Amazon, and it came in, so I'm gonna unbox it all. Let me show you some things. Okay, I got this in the mail. This actually came in a PR package. It's a little neon light of lips, and I think it's so cute. So I'm actually gonna use this as on my desk, but I just wanted to show y'all because it's cute. Right, I want a neon sign in my room though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one, but this is the start. It's so cute. Okay, next I got this. They're little plant holders, or like pins. Oh, it's a little plant holder, or even it can hold like scissors, pins and stuff, but they're really cute. They're like marble and then gold. I got this off of Amazon as well. Yo, I be shopping on Amazon. I don't know about y'all. If you don't be shopping on Amazon, then something's wrong with you. I literally will rather shop and buy something from Amazon than going into the store. I don't know if that's lazy or if it's good. But I mean, like Amazon, I have Amazon Prime. So everything comes in 2 days or 1 day, so why am I gonna get up and go to the store? But so it comes like this. It's got its little triangle cups. And then here's the big one. And then here are the little, so you get this metal holder and then you just place it in there. It's so cute, I like this. So I'm gonna use these on my desk. I might put a plant in the big one. Maybe, I really don't know yet. And then put like pins and stuff in this one. They're so cute, I like these a lot. So here's one thing. Let's see. Next, I have these letters. I got a J and a B for JasmineBrown. Light bulb type LED batteries required. 2 AA batteries not included. How rude. Okay, so these ones are super cute. They look like little diamonds. Like they had the metal ones, but I thought the white ones were cuter. So I got the white one. Oh, and it comes with the remote, so you can turn it on from the remote. So they look like this. It's plastic. I think I have batteries here, so. Come on! Y'all, I hate long nails. I got my nails a little bit longer than usual. And I feel like I can't even function correctly. Oh, who's texting me? Probably, yes, it's my mans. I zoomed in and I'm back. I got the battery. I want to show y'all. Oh, there we go. This is what they look like. They're plastic, and these things are like cute. Actually, they don't look like actual lights. They look like little diamonds. Shine bright like a diamond. Went and got some batteries from my stash of batteries. Okay, so here's the light, and then you turn it on. Can you even see that? There you go. Bam, so they light up. Both of them do. See, on, off, and then on. Oops. They're so cute. So I'm gonna put these on a shelf that I bought. Amazon got the goods, yo. Oh yeah, I got a cute stapler set. Like my room's not gonna be all gold. It's gonna be gold and silver, honestly, because I don't mind mixing. So I got this little gold stapler. It's gold and clear along with this little tape set. So here's the gold stapler. It's so cute. And then this little tape holder. It's just clear, and then has a little gold mirror right there. Oh, she's fancy. Oh, and then I got a handy dandy extension cord. You know, you always need this. Okay, next I found this pencil holder or scissor holder, whatever. It's super cute, so I'm gonna put this on my desk as well. And then I found this cute notebook. It's just like a marble one with little gold accents. There we go. Just in case I'm on my computer and then I want to write some notes. I thought it was really cute. Handy dandy staplers for my stapler. You need those. Then, what is this? I got me some little artificial plants. Look. Oh, they're so cute. So there's 3 of them. They have this little like concrete bottoms. I got 3 different types, like there's 3 different things inside of them. They look really cute. I like these. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna put these probably on the little shelf. I got a lot of little things to decorate my shelf with, which I'll show y'all after I open it and then I have to build it. But these are all the little things I got for it. Got some white pens. I just got them because they were cute and white. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. This is so cute, y'all. Look, everything's so cute. Obviously, it's coming in here. But I bought this cute little pineapple. Like, I should have gotten more. Might buy another one. Look how cute this is. It's like gold and it has these little jewels on it. And it has this hole at the bottom because you put these little fairy lights through it and you just wrap it around in here. And then there's the battery to turn it on. It's even cute without the lights. Like, I like it just like this. Oh, I love. I got a trash can. I just got a little trash can so it can go underneath my desk so that I don't have to leave. Oh, what you doing? Wow, I'm weird. Oh, what that one is. Dang it, where's my box cutter? Ah! I love when they put a box in a box. Okay, so I got this gold calendar, a whiteboard. Yeah, dry and erase whiteboard calendar, so that I can put on the wall, so I can always write down things that I have to do. I normally use my iPhone calendar, but if I'm like sitting in here a lot, sometimes I can just write on here, so I can like peek at it and be like, oh yeah, gotta do that. Ugh. And then this. I hate the styrofoam. Ah! Oh shoot, this is heavy. Let's see. Ah! Oh, I think these are picture frames. I got like a whole bunch of white picture frames, like the same size, so I can put like black and white pictures in it. It actually came with pictures to put in there if you wanted to use them. This one says cafe. Oh, they're cute little photography pictures. And they're all black and white, which is crazy because that's what I want. So like, here's one of a taxi, one of a house, another little, like a New York looking house. I think that's New York. This is the kind of stuff that I would want, like pretty pictures, but then I also want like pictures of my family and stuff in them. So you can mark up your wall so they're all even. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna keep this. This is a cool little kit though. So they look like this. It has a little hangy thingy in the back. I think I'm gonna stick them on the wall though. They're pretty light too, so that's good. But they're not like super light. Like it feels pretty sturdy. And there's 9 of them. That's like a really good deal. I'll link everything that I got in the description box below, because if y'all want any of these items, then I just got them off Amazon and I'll just link them. Dang, these 9 frames with pictures and stuff, it was $63. So you can even just use these. You don't have to change the pictures. You can just use them, which I might because they're actually really pretty. Oh yeah, look. Ooh, and roses. Close-up roses. That's a deal right there, because picture frames are expensive. Okay, and then the next thing I got off Amazon is this cute little plant. I don't know what kind of leaves these are, but it looks like this. Let's see. It's like this tall. It's not like super tall, but it's cute. Don't look at my ashy knee. So I got this plant right here, and then I got one more. It's back here. It has these kind of leaves on it, like a palm tree kind of leaf, and then you can like bend these to however you want them to stick out, which is pretty nice. And the leaves actually look pretty good. I'll show you. Okay, so this is that first one that I got. Let me zoom out. The leaves are super pretty and nice, and they actually look good, because sometimes you get fake plants and they're kind of like flared out at the bottom. Sometimes they look weird and there's like shedding on the ends. So these ones look really good. Look at that. Okay, and then this is the other one I got. It's so cute. And then I bought these planters to put them in since they look ugly like that. So I'll go ahead and put that in this white thing, so it'll look way prettier from the side. And then I can fill it with more moss or whatever, so it can look better. But there we go, you see? It just looks better than that black thing. Bam, you see, that's cute. I need to take this tag off, but yeah, whoa. And then this one, I'll put in this one I got over here. And then bam, it's so much cuter. Here's all the stuff I just opened. Okay, so I also bought a shelf and a rug, so I'm gonna show you that. I don't think I want to unroll my rug, but I got a rug. I'll insert a picture. Yeah, so I got this rug. It's like gray and white. I'll insert a picture right now. I got a 5x8 rectangle. This rug was $53. And it's funny because I had bought a $300 rug from CB2, and then they never delivered it, and then they just kept rescheduling, and then they just canceled it and sent me my money back. So I'm like, hey, I got a $53 rug now. Now I just have to see how I'm gonna set this thing up. I wonder how much of it is like built, or if I have to build all of it. Those ladder shelves that you lean against the wall. Yay! I think I have to build all of it. At least I'm good at building things. Got my handy dandy toolbox. Okay. What? Whatever. Whatever. There we go. Got it. Yay. I did one. Okay. Okay, so it is the next day. I got my hair did, but I also couldn't finish my video until I finished the last thing I got on Amazon, and I literally couldn't figure it out for some reason. And last night I was like, let me go try it again, and I figured it out. So this is the shelf that I bought off of Amazon. I'm about to show you. I'll lean up against that wall right there. Y'all ready? You just lean up against the wall like that. Don't mind all the mess, but it's very cute. Look at that. So you just lean it up and then you can decorate it and put whatever you want on it. It's just so cute. I like it. And it was super affordable as well. And then this part right here has an angle to it, so you know how far to put it, like against the wall. And then there you go. It's done. Okay, so there we go. That's all the stuff that I got off of Amazon. My little Amazon haul for my office room. Next series is gonna be me decorating this room. I have like my couch. I didn't want to show you it exactly, or my desk, but I'm gonna do that in the next video, and I'm gonna show y'all organizing it because I think I'm gonna move this stuff around. However I have it right now, I might change it. So we're gonna do that next up, but it's gonna be coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little vlog-ish thing, you know, get some more content out. Yeah, let me know if you like these kind of videos, if I should vlog more, if I could go shopping and vlog or what, you know, just let me know. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye. Oh, by the way, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Whoa, I said that really fast without stuttering. I'm proud of myself. But anyway, thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.